you're live.
Hi! We're here at Siesta Key Beach, and it's epic!
It is. Hello, everybody. We are here live at the Drum Circle in Sarasota at Siesta Key, and this is Live with Nature. This is going to be a good evening tonight. This is going to be a great video. The sun's just getting ready to set, and so we are going to go ahead. Come on, Harmony, let's do this. Come on, little doggy, let's go. All right, we got to pick this stuff up. You get to carry the bucket. Come on, you get to carry the bucket and your shoes. Let's go. Are you coming?
Yeah.
So welcome. Welcome, Susan. How are you? Good to see you. Welcome from Oregon. We're glad that you joined us. So yeah, we're just heading up here to the drum circle. Welcome, everybody. Welcome, welcome to Siesta Key.
Nice.
Harmony's with me. We're going to head up towards the drum circle now and get a place up here. So it's a beautiful day here in Sarasota. It was again, and the sun's just getting ready to set. So what's happening now is that the drums have been playing for a few minutes. So as we move our way up to sunset, they will stop for a moment. There'll be a moment of silence, and then, sorry about the bouncing. I'm trying to walk. I just want to say hi, Susan, Kathy, Sonia, Leslie, Farah. Welcome. Thank you so very much, Farah. I'm glad that you joined us. Shane, and we're heading to the drum circle. I'm trying to carry the skim board and walk, so I'll just do this. So it's beautiful. It's going to be a beautiful sunset. So I'm glad everybody's taking time to come and join me here. This is great fun. I really enjoy the drum circle. Come on, Harmony. Let's go. How about pick it up? All right, we're getting there. So we're just going to pull on up here and try and get a seat. Thank you, everybody, for taking time to join me.
Oh, God!
A little heavy?
Like this.
You guys are having fun here? We're in their sticks.
I think we should be right here.
A little bit closer, huh?
Grandpa,
What?
how about right here?
How about right here is fine.
Yeah, we have view and everything.
Alrighty. So welcome, everybody. Get my glasses on, I'll be able to hear the comments. Thank you, everybody, for taking time to join us here.
It's cat.
So that here is all the drums. Alrighty. You drove the car, Susan. Awesome. And John, Mr. Danridge. Welcome. Sun's getting ready to set. Stella, welcome. Yes, this is really awesome. This is one of my favorite things to do. This little girl here has been coming to this since she was an infant. Awesome. I appreciate everybody's taking time to come and join us here. We're on Siesta Key. It's the #1 beach in the USA. It's been voted that twice. Hello, Stella. Adjust my tripod so I can get up a little bit higher. It is a party. There's a lot of people here. Just looking out towards the Gulf of Mexico there.
I am very. Now you're looking at.
Just a second. Harmony, I'll get you. Sun's going down.
Now you are watching the Harmony bury herself in her natural habitat. I'm actually burying everything but my head.
Okay. Fort Lauderdale, awesome. So yes, at the back there is where the drums are all at. I've got a drum on layaway. I'll be bringing mine down and joining them. It's been a few years since I've done that. That was lightning. Which is not good or not safe to be on the beach. I saw that. I don't know if that got in the picture or just what. There's definitely lightning going on around here. I see it. It's in the distance, but nonetheless. No?
That wasn't working for me. That would have been too much sand. I'd have to use very like a big cart.
Gotta love it. So I posted a video. She tried the skimboard a little while ago. She's just trying to learn how to do that. So it's going to take a few practice lessons.
Okay.
So it's a spectacular sunset going down. I really appreciate everybody that's taking time to come and join me here. Gary is a local. Welcome, Gary.
I need your help to bury myself at some point.
So they will play these drums until sunset. And right at sunset, they'll stop for a moment. And then they give a moment of silence. You're all good. And then they will go ahead and start back up again and play for probably about an hour or so. Have fun?
Yeah. I might need you to help me bury myself.
Yeah.
Yeah. Especially on my feet. I'm not able to do that. That hurts me to try.
Alright, I'm just going to set this down for a minute, folks, so I can get my shoes off, put my feet in the sand.
And then you'll record him helping me bury myself.
I'm not going to bury you.
Yeah, shit. I rushed it earlier.
Alrighty. Now I've got my shoes off. So, the beautiful thing about this is that the sand is quartz sand. It's absolutely spectacular. It's like powder.
What?
And it's very grounding. It's just absolutely spectacular. Yeah, she does. They say you've got a long way to go to bury yourself.
I've done it before.
You've done it before, just by yourself, have you?
Well, Tyler helped me.
Oh, okay.
You know, before he left us, he was just to talk to us now.
I guess. No, he's talking. He said to say hi, by the way. He sent me a message the other day. That would be my son she's referring to, her uncle.
He hasn't talked to me in months. It's like sad. Stop.
So, all right. I will go ahead and I'll wrap this video up. I want to say thank you to everybody that takes time to come and join me. This is the Drum Circle, the Siesta team. I hope you're having a great weekend, or in some cases it's going to be Monday. And I appreciate that. Feel free to like, comment, share this video out. And in the meantime, if you're in Monday already, like down under, I know you are, then I hope you have a great week. Enjoy. Let's make the best of it. Let's absolutely do that. Go ahead and say goodbye, Harmony. All right. Take care, everybody. Enjoy yourselves. This is Steve Smith signing off in Sarasota at Siesta Key Beach at the Drum Circle. Bye for now, and we'll see you all soon.